Thank you for joining our video today. We are servicing the GTA Toronto. Our number is 416-937-8115. What we have here is a nice 24 by 24 porcelain. Actually, the tile is from Rivalda. We have a book match floor because the homeowner wanted to do some sort of design, not usually there's a typical 5 or 6 patterns. It took us a bit more time, yes, but we do have a book match type of floor. So we provide the client or customers, designers, whichever route they want to go with, on whatever typical tile that they're picking. We install, 32 years in the business, basically. What you want is what we give you. So basically here we have a condo, floor, we're all uneven, everything was ripped out. We did the dry packing, okay? If you look at our videos, how we level the floor. Self-leveling liquid stuff would not work here. So pay attention to what dry pack is all about. Dry mix, basically Portland, 1 bag to 4, 5, or 6 bags of concrete sand, not bricklaying sand. Okay, and we get these floors pretty well leveled, laser level, straightened out before any type of tile goes in. Homeowner wanted to change a little bit here on the kitchen, so I wanted to do a typical border and put his design on this floor. So basically we did what he wanted to do, what he wanted to create in his own place. So he's happy, and we're happy, of course, when the clients are all get what they want and get their job started and finished. They had a big problem in these floors because everyone was coming in, just didn't know how to cure and solve these floor issues. So finally, homeowner met up with us. I explained very thoroughly how we're going to create this floor using all different type of doors, bathroom floors. Big issue was the entrance of the door in the hallway of the condo, so we could not have raised anything over there because then you cannot cut the door and it will not work to get in and out of the condo, so can't change that kind of stuff. So basically we are done here. If you want this type of floor, we can create you anything you need, really. Custom home, 2 million, 1 million, small jobs, big jobs. This is what you see in the video, nice sheet of glass, and this is what you're gonna get at your home or commercial flooring. All right, again, give us a call at 416-937-8115. We'll come over and give you quotation, advice on how to start your project first, the right time, and finish it completely right at the end so there's no delays. Thank you. Again, our number is 416-937-8115.